Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make circle hover effect using HTML, CS and CSS. So first, file, not new window. Open folder, document, new folder. Circle hover. Select folder. So now index.html or index.htm. No, not new folder. Index.css. No, not index.index. So HTML5 link rel is equal to style sheet href is equal to index.css. So first I'm going to create a few circles, a few divs, div. I don't know, copy it like six more times. Div. Copy pass, paste pass. And now I can write div. I could set the width to 100 pixels, the height to 100 pixels, the border radius to 100%, so it could be circular. Oh yeah, and the background color equal to equal to black for now. I start for now. So first we need this thing to be aligned, so I can write body, display flex, justify content, center, which will justify everything in the center. And you can also write align item center, which will align everything in the center. Guess it didn't align everything in the center. Oh wait, because I could set the height to 100 SVH. Now everything is center align. Let me set it to space. No space around. No. There we go. Now I'm going to give them different colors. Color picker. So I'm going to give the first one blue. So write div child 1 background color is equal to this. Reload. And next color I'm going to pick is red. Copy. Do the same thing. Div child 2 background color is red. Now orange. Copy. Div child 3 background color is orange. Yellow. Div child 4 background color is yellow. Div child 5 background color is green. And finally div child 6, so the background color to blue. Oh, this one's background color is already blue. Let me set this to pink. Yeah, that's good. There we go. And now it's time for the hover effect. Div hover I'll set the width to 120 pixels and the height to 120 pixels. Cool. I'm going to write plus div into this. Now it's going to make the next div to be hovered. I'm going to write minus, but there's no minus. Now what I want is for both of them to be hovered, so I can copy this. I can write div hover plus div, and then div hover div. Except it's 140, 140, 220. And then I can even add an animation. Time adore. Animation. Two, three, 4, 5, 6. Transition 0.5 seconds, and then I can set this to transition 1 second. Let me reduce the time 0.2, 0.4. And then I'm going to set this to transition 0.1 seconds. Okay. And now I'm also going to set the body, set the background to a linear gradient. I was going to do black, white for preset thing. Oh no, I'm going to write to right. Now it's going to be to the right. And so now I'm going to copy each of these. Blue, red, orange, yellow, green, finally pink. And then I'll make them darker, make this to be darker, 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 and darker. And now this is 5. This is 6. 20%. 20%. 20%. 20%. 20%. 20%. Then write 100 divided by 6. 100 divided by 6 is equal to this. So I'm just going to use the calc. 100 divided by 6%. And anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.